They're referred to as man's best friend, but they're often cared for like a child. Some pet owners say no dollar amount is too high to ensure their pet's health. From knee replacements to teeth cleanings, the line between human and animal is growing more faint.
This is Spike.
Spike is Aaron and Tiffany Spade's 12-year-old Boston Terrier Chihuahua mix. And like the sign on the fridge says, Tiffany thinks of herself as his mom.
It's hard, but he's going to make it. He'll be okay.
Spike was diagnosed with diabetes 3 months ago. The Spades spend about $25 a month on insulin. He gets a shot of insulin twice a day.
Good boy.
She says it will.
Specialized surgeries like this one at Linden Heights Animal Hospital are happening more and more. This cat is having its teeth treated to prevent dental disease.
We can x-ray the teeth and see which ones need to come out, which ones are injured or damaged, deal with them appropriately, extract them. We can section them by using high-speed drills, section them to make them easier to remove. And if they've only got a small chip or crack on them, we can apply bonded sealants like they use in people.
In fact, the American Pet Products Association says pet spending jumped 8% in 2010 to more than $13 billion. The APPA anticipated it to grow to more than $14 billion last year, another 8% increase.
There are a lot more specialists around. There are surgeons, there are ophthalmologists, there's cardiologists, neurologists, dermatologists.
All for dogs.
All for pets, all for dogs and cats.
Dr. Joseph Schmidt says the standards of care have changed a lot since he first started out.
I graduated in 1982.
He says managing pain and preventative care are the focus now. He's seen the change professionally and reaped the benefits on his own pets.
Come on, Mango, let's go.
Mango is just a pup, but he had knee surgery a few months ago.
My own dog Sailor is 12 and she has some arthritis in her hips. We noticed she can't jump as well. So she is on arthritis medicine, and also she has joint support medicine that she takes. This is the western side of medicine, but doctors here in Winchester are also exploring the eastern side of medicine and bringing that into the practice to help with things like arthritis.
Oh, you're a good dog. And acupuncture him, and in a few days he's walking around better and more comfortable. Obviously, you've done something.
Yeah. You start to believe.
Yeah, you
that
start to
it
believe
is
that
part
it's
of it.
not. It's not psychosomatic. I mean, the dog or a cat has no reason to believe that you've done anything to make them feel better.
Back at the Spades house, they can see the difference the insulin treatment is making. Spike has lost some weight and is feeling better, a big relief for his mom.
You know, I have my husband and stuff, but you can't replace the love from a dog.
And that is so true. We asked Dr. Schmidt about the costs for pet owners for some of the more common treatments, and here's what he told us. Teeth cleanings and procedures cost anywhere from $300 to $900. A knee replacement, as you see there, is between $1,500 and $3,500. And a hip replacement is between $4,000 and $5,000. And this brings us to our poll question. We want to know, how much would you spend on a procedure to keep your pet healthy? Less than $500, $500, $1,000, $3,000, or any amount it takes. You can go right to tv3winchester.com and vote, and we're going to have the results for you tomorrow. It was interesting to see. I think the thing that sparked my interest the most was the fact that within a 100-mile radius of where we live, there is almost every specialty for a pet care, whether it's cardiologists or dermatologists for dogs and cats.
I found that fascinating as that doctor was rambling off, a dermatologist for your pet. You
Right?
wouldn't think so, but hey, they have the same problems we do sometimes.
They do, absolutely.
You know? So very interesting to see that around here.
It was pretty fascinating. Yeah, and right here in Winchester, we have a surgical specialist and also a cancer specialist.
Wow.
Just for our pets. So it's something that people are spending billions of dollars on, and clearly spending a lot here too.
Yeah, a lot of people think of them as family members, so why not help them out when they're in need? You know?
You know it.
Of course.
You've heard a lot about Sailor
I
and Maggie.
have.
Well, let's talk a little bit about the weather.
Sure.